thousands of people die every year from overdosing on painkillers such as oxycodone or hydrocodone. You know, opioids that are basically legal heroin, but heroin nonetheless. Over the past 15 years, sales for prescription painkillers have quadrupled. Almost twice as many people abuse prescription drugs as the number of people who abuse cocaine, heroin, hallucinogens, and inhalants combined. After hearing all of that, you're probably thinking, we could really use another painkiller. Well, have no fear, because the FDA just approved a brand new one called Zohydro, a version of OxyContin. The extra horrible thing about this one is that unlike other legal versions of heroin that millions of Americans are already strung out on, this one isn't designed to deter abuse. You see, most pain meds on the market are formulated so that their consistencies change when they're crushed, to deter people from crushing them up to inject or snort them. Not that that matters much, obviously, because thousands of people abuse painkillers every day. Zohydro, however, works just as potently when it's crushed. It also contains about 5 to 10 times more of the heroin-like opioid hydrocodone than other pills like Vicodin. 5 to 10 times more. During the drug's clinical trials, one test subject actually hoarded the drug and overdosed on it after the study was over. But that didn't bother the FDA too much, apparently, because Zohydro is set to hit pharmacy shelves in a few months. Since it's super strong and just as potent when crushed, it's only a matter of time before people seek it out and get addicted. And that brings us to the worst part of this story. Because Alkermes, the company that will be manufacturing this very addictive painkiller, also manufactures a popular medication called Vivitrol. And Vivitrol is used to treat people addicted to painkillers. So first, they make the potent addictive painkiller, and then they make the pill you pop to help you beat your addiction. That's not irony. That's just straight up crazy crap. It's the perfect representation of the circle of life here in capitalism gone wild America. We've got the poison and the cure for you, as long as you continue to buy whatever it is we're pushing. In this case, make no mistake, what we're pushing is just straight up heroin. Tonight, let's talk about that by following me on Twitter @TheResident.